Laris Chika Donnie, kinulat ang mga kaibigan at media dahil sa banat na she's my baby. Kanya kasing pinakilala sa lahat si Belle na ikinagalantang na lahat, lalo na si Belle Mariano. Dagdag pa niya, she's my first kiss, my first relationship, or even my first I love you. She's the person who ever made me feel like I was enough, the first to love me in a way that made me truly understand what I love you really means.